Law is a very powerful weapon.
After marriage, the couple mutually agreed and obtained a mutual divorce. 2 years passed peacefully. Suddenly, the wife files a case asking for maintenance from the husband. Is that legally possible? This is one of the most frequently asked questions in family courts today. From a legal perspective, the answer is yes, in certain circumstances, it is legally possible. But that does not mean maintenance will automatically be granted in every case. Let us understand this issue in a simple and practical manner. What does Indian law say? 1. Hindu Marriage Act, 1955 to Section 25. Section 25 of the Hindu Marriage Act deals with permanent alimony and maintenance. The most important part of this provision is, a spouse can seek maintenance even after a divorce decree has been passed. The law specifically uses the words, at the time of passing any decree or at any time subsequent thereto. This means there is no strict rule that maintenance must be claimed only during the divorce proceedings. Therefore, even after mutual divorce, 2 years later, or even 5 years later, a maintenance petition may still be filed under certain circumstances. Will the court immediately order maintenance? Not necessarily. The court will examine several important factors before passing any order. Important factors considered by the court: does the woman have an independent income? Is she employed? Is she unable to maintain herself financially? Was maintenance waived in the mutual divorce agreement? Did she already receive a one-time lump sum settlement? Has she remarried? What is the husband's financial status and income? All these aspects are important. The mutual divorce agreement plays a crucial role. This is something many people overlook. In many mutual divorce petitions, there is usually a clause stating, both parties waive any future maintenance claims, or full and final settlement has been received. If such clauses exist, they can become a strong defense for the husband. At that stage, the court may ask, if you already accepted a settlement and signed the agreement, why are you claiming maintenance again? Because of this, the maintenance claim may also be rejected in appropriate cases. Under which laws can maintenance be claimed? A. Hindu Marriage Act, 1955 to Section 25. Permanent alimony can be claimed even after divorce. B. Section 125 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, CRPC, currently continued under the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita to BNSS. This provision is considered a social welfare measure. Its objective is simple: a divorced woman should not suffer without basic financial support if she is unable to maintain herself. The Supreme Court has repeatedly held that a divorced wife can claim maintenance as long as she has not remarried. C. Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act, 2005. If allegations of domestic violence exist, the wife may seek monetary relief, compensation, or maintenance. However, if the claim is filed several years after divorce, the maintainability of such a case depends entirely on the facts and circumstances. When can maintenance be refused? The law also recognizes situations where maintenance may be denied. For example, if the wife has remarried, if she has sufficient independent income, if adultery is proven, if she already accepted a full and final settlement, the court may reject the maintenance claim. What has the Supreme Court said? The Supreme Court has repeatedly clarified that maintenance law is not a punishment against the husband, it is a measure of social justice. In simple terms, if a woman is genuinely unable to survive financially, the court may protect her rights. At the same time, if the law is being misused unfairly, courts are equally cautious about that as well.